So most of the times people email me and even tell me in the comment section that how to make their interior different, because obviously most of the people uses Creative Fabrica and I use it too, but I make sure that I modify it, I make it unique, and I have also shared a video on how I do it. But in this video I'm going to talk about how you can make your first page which clearly defines that it is copyrighted and the owner is you, and how you can make your first page different from others. Okay, so hello everyone, my name is Priyanka Dubey. If you're watching me for the very first time, I talk about KDP. So if you're interested in such kind of topics, you can go ahead and watch all my videos. My videos are available in both of the languages, Hindi as well as English. So whatever language you are comfortable in, you can go ahead and you can watch it. And please share my channel to your friends and family and whoever is interested in making passive income, and you can also share on social media. Okay, so the thing is that I'm going to talk about the first page of my book, that is a copyright page. So what I do is I go into canva.com. If you are not familiar with this software, it is a kind of software which you can make graphics, posters, Instagram post, Instagram story, and a lot of graphics. Okay, so I am into this Canva. It is a kind of free tool. So if you're not having the sign up, you can go ahead and check it out my description. There is a link. You can go ahead and you can sign up. Okay, it is completely free. So I will go ahead. I will create a design and I will create a custom design, and I will go ahead and I will create inches. You can choose any KDP interior like 6:9 or 8.5:11, like whatever you are comfortable in. So let's suppose that I'm gonna go ahead and I'm choose 6:9. So now I'm into the design section, and now I have to create the interior. Okay, now this is my first page, right? This is my first page, and I want my first page to have two things. The first thing is that I want to have the section where I can give the give the buyer the opportunity where he or she can write the details. So what I will do is I will go into the text section and I will add a headline, and I will simply write this logbook belongs to. Okay, now you can obviously you can choose the font style. So something like this, you can modify it. Obviously I'm just giving you an example. You can use whatever font you are comfortable with or you like, etc. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna choose dotted lines. Here it is. Duplicate it like this. Okay, now you can just modify the size. All you have to do is to select and just play with this stretching button, and you can see the width and height and so on. Okay, so now once it is done, you can move it. I would like a frame for it, so frame something like this. It looks good, I guess. So you can see the area where the user can write their information is ready. This is very simple. I just use the elements, whatever I want. I just have to type in and it will show me the results. I'm using all the free ones. I'm not using any paid element from here. As you can see, here are paid as well as free. So where there is a small crown, there it is pro. That means it is a paid element. Okay, so you have to pay for the Canva subscription. But here I'm using all the free elements, so you can see these all are free. Okay, so you do not have to pay anything. Now our first section is ready. Now we have to design the copyright section, which I'm talking about. So the copyright is something which belongs to you. So that means you are just clearly saying in the first page of your book that this book belongs to me and you cannot copy it. Okay, so simply I will go ahead, I will duplicate it and I will write copyright. Okay, now I want the copyright element, so I will go ahead and I will write copyright. Okay, so you can see here I got one element from here and I will simply put like this, as you can see. Okay, like this. Okay, copyright. Now after copyright you have to put the year. This is 2022, that means 2022, and after that your pen name, like the author name. So I'm just taking an example. Let's suppose your pen name is XYZ well, or whatever. I'm just taking an example, nothing serious, like this. Okay, so you see how easy it is. If you want, you can do different things as well, like you can put some border and you can choose the different fonts, you can choose some backgrounds as well if you want. You know, if you want to customize it, you can do as the way you want, but I just showed you the simplest way how you can create your first page for your book. And obviously if 100 people are watching this video, all those 100 people are different. They have different styles, they have different kind of creativity, they have different liking and disliking when it comes to elements of the design, right? So you can choose whatever and you can create your own first page which is different and which can obviously help you from getting that duplicate content strike from KDP. So I would say this is a great way to make you different from others on KDP. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And now if you're thinking like how I will how I will move this first page to my rest of the pages, simply you have to go into the Google and you have to type merge PDF. Okay, so now what you will do is you will simply go ahead and you will first download it, like just download, not in the PNG, in the PDF print, download it. And then you just have to go ahead, you have to drop that PDF here like this, and then again you have to drop your main interior of the book, and then you have to merge. That's all, and your interior is ready. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, Let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video.